Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this section we're going to look at how to add products. Like the purpose of our course is also to help you track your inventory. So we can just go to sales, okay, and here we can find products and services. So here we have got an option to add a product manually. For example, if I can click that, let's see. So if you are adding physical products, you can click on inventory, okay, and let's see. So if I click on inventory, it gives me an option to input the name of the product, the initial quantity on hand on a certain date, the reorder point, inventory asset, inventory, sales of product income, cost of sales. Okay, so we just want to add products, we just want to import a file. Okay, so let's click on that. Let's click on that. Let's see. Okay, so let's see how to go about that. So here they're saying select a CSV or Excel file to upload the products. So let me show you I just want to show you something. So let me do this. Okay, let me come here and then go to right. Perfect. So this is the fixed auto products. Let me quickly open it up so that you can see the layout of it. So let's see. Okay, perfect. Right, this is the layout. So we have got the product and service name, sales description, type, inventory, sales price. We don't have VAT yet, and we have got the purchase cost, the cost per unity, cost of sales, and we've got inventory asset and quantity as of. Okay, so let's go back and choose that. So we're going to browse our PC to look for that. Okay, so fix it auto and then open here. All right, let's see. So here this green button is now active. So here they're saying product, service, they're matching all of our products that we have added. So we click on next. Let's see what has happened there. So income account, product of source income. Okay, perfect. So what else again? Okay, so you're seeing everything matches, cost of sales, inventory. Perfect. So now what we need is we need to import that. So let's see if all our products successfully imported, and you can see now. Okay, so they're saying 5 flow stock, 5 out of stock. Okay, like what they are saying right now is the quantity on hand for our product air filter is 0 and the reorder point is 5 for all of our products. So we have got 0 quantities. We just added the sale price, this is the selling price per unit, the cost per unit. Okay, so that's perfect. So here, let's say you want to edit the price or whatever, or the name of the product. You can edit. You can click the edit button there, For example, if you click on that, let's see what it will look like. If you click the edit button, I'm not sure why it's not giving us the page that we want. Could be my network is a bit acting up. So yes, so here it just gives us that same page as well. Like you can see quantity on what we don't have that as well. Okay, perfect. So we can just close that. We can just close that. And here, let's say we want to make a particular product inactive, we can click that. If we want to run a report to see, to see this the transactions involving this product in detail, we can run a report. If you want to duplicate a certain product, we can do that. If you want to adjust the quantity or just the starting value, we can click that as well. Okay. So here we can print that, or we can export to Excel a list of our products. Perfect. And right, so let's just click on all list and let's see. Okay, so I think that's fine. Okay, let me go back to the dashboard. I think it didn't go to what I wanted, but what I wanted is if we go to sales, then we can if we go to sales, then we go to products. So we are still here as well. So like I said, we've got hours, we've got services, we don't use that. And then here, if you want to add a new product, that's what you do. So here you can run reports, manage product categories in there. So let's say you want to search a particular product, you can use this search bar here. Like if you want to just see the air filter, you can use that, and then you can see the product here. Or you can just use this. You can, yeah, perfect. We don't have product category, so using this filter might be challenging. So yeah, but basically that's it. So in the next section, we are going to look at the chart of accounts.